Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make a chewy and soft chocolate chip cookie recipe, and here are the prepared ingredients. Here I have 1 3/4 cups of flour, a half teaspoon of baking soda, a half teaspoon of salt, tablespoon of corn flour, half cup of melted unsalted butter, 3/4 cups of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of white sugar, vanilla, 1 whole egg and yolk, a combined dark chocolate and normal chocolate chip. Let's get started. In our prepared bowl, let's combine our sugar. Let's combine together. Put in our melted butter. Add our egg. Mix it well. And add 2 teaspoons of vanilla, mix for 1 minute or until it becomes smooth. And it's done. Set aside. And with our separated bowl, let's combine all our dry stuff. Put the flour, corn flour, baking soda, and the salt. Combine all together. And done. Now let's add them to our wet mixture. And mix it well. Mix until you cannot see the flour anymore. No more trace of dry flour. Don't over mix, but make it sure that no more traces of flour. And done. Now let's add our combined chocolate. Mix it. And done. Cover and put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, our cookie dough is ready. Take a spoon . And shape it in a bowl. And put it on our baking sheet. Take another spoon again. And make a bowl. Just repeat the process. But be sure to have a space on them. And done. Let's bake our cookie dough. Our preheated oven. Let's bake our cookie dough in 175 heat temperature and bake our cookie dough for about 9 to 11 minutes. And after 11 minutes, let's remove our cookie. Let's cool it down for 5 minutes. Our chewy and soft chocolate chip cookie is ready to serve.